How to delete Grok history in Twitter. Need to erase your conversations with Grok AI on X. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to permanently clear your chat history, step by step, so your data stays private and your account stays clean. Start by opening the X app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Tap your profile picture in the top left corner. Next, scroll down and tap on Settings and Support. Then, select Settings and Privacy. Now from the Settings menu, choose Privacy and Safety. Scroll all the way down until you see Grok and third-party collaborators. Tap that option, then select Delete Conversation History. A confirmation screen will appear. This is where you verify that you want to delete your entire chat history with Grok AI. Go ahead and confirm your choice. This action will permanently erase all previous interactions with Grok AI. It ensures your conversation history is wiped clean, but remember, this process cannot be undone. So make sure you no longer need the data before proceeding. Important note: if you don't see the option to delete your history, double-check that your X app is updated to the latest version. And that's it! You've successfully cleared your Grok AI conversation history on X. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick tech tips and privacy guides.